How to avoid tolls in Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to the video. Before we head to the video, make sure to subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Thank you. Now let's head to the video. Now most of the times maybe you want to travel because you don't want to pay some tolls on Google Maps. So Google Maps helps you with that. So the first thing you have to do is open Google Maps. Once you open Google Maps, you have to come on the main screen. No need to go anywhere else. So once you open that, you have to click on your profile icon on the top right. Once you click on your profile icon, you have to scroll down and you'll find an option of settings. Click on that. Once you open settings, you have to click on navigations, and here you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of avoid toll route. So you have to turn that on, and Google Maps will automatically show you the routes where you don't have to pay any charges. There are no tolls, it's not a main highway, and there are no toll charge. It will take you from an inside route. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.